One ticket for Barcelona.
Barcelona.
I want to come with you. Can I?
Naples. You doing a video?
Yeah. Somewhere right over there we have the Maradona house. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ji Moyasu Naples. Alright, so video to last on side hikibo.
YouTube में पिक्चर तो नहीं बनाना
हाँ थोड़ा बहुत
बढ़िया से बना हमारा भी डालना
हाँ आनंद भाई. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Moyasu, Italy, Naples, Napoli city, very famous for Maradona, football and pizza. Video to last on side ko kod jao ki koru sob gote khini gom pabo. So welcome to Napoli. Hello. Can I ask you a question, ma'am?
Yeah.
To go to the city of Pompeii, how can I go there?
You can go with us
Yeah.
after you arrive in Herculano and in Pompeii.
So it will take
yeah.
3 hours to go up and down.
More or less.
So আজি ঘটনা হল মই ওলাই আহিলো এটামান বজাত কিন্তু পম্পে যাবলৈ হলে টাইম লাগিব মানে পম্পে সিটি টু 1.5 ঘণ্টা ইয়াৰ পৰা যাবলৈ আৰু আহি পাবলৈ 1.5 ঘণ্টা তাৰ পিছত জায়গাবোৰ চাওঁতে মিলুতে আই নিড এট লিষ্ট 4 hours straight so এটা পসিবল নহব rather I think I'll take this bus this city sightseeing Napoli hop on hop off এনেকুৱা এটা লৈ লম then I will go look around the city on the bus এটাই কৰিম আৰু Vesuvius, this is the volcanic mountain. This is the crater. Pompeii. And it was a ticket counter, ticket office. You had a Capri, another Sorrento, Amalfi, Pompeii. So yeah, a lot of other places you can go from this port. Hi, I'm back. I would like to take one ticket. So
Okay, you can go to my co-worker and buy the ticket over there, okay?
okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi, one ticket for Barcelona.
Barcelona.
I want to come with you. Can I? I come with you. You
Yes,
guys want
let's
me
go.
too?
Yes.
Okay. Come on.
Yes.
Go. Okay.
One city tour.
Yes.
So
With the card or with the cash?
card, please. What time I come back, ma'am?
After 1 hour 40 minutes. You don't get out. You get out, you catch a bus again. What time you leave with the ship?
5 o'clock I have to be back.
Okay, you have enough time. Don't worry. This one is yours. This one is yours.
Thank you.
This one is mine.
Okay.
This one is yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I give it to you the map. Can I
This is
find?
the bus. You can have a seat.
Gracias.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
See you.
So quick question. Next time if I want to go to Pompeii, I come
give
in
it
the
to
morning. I come in the morning.
Yes.
And
There's a
And-
lot of options. It depends what time. It's 1 hour and
Yeah.
30 minutes to get there.
yeah.
And then you have a couple hours.
Half past 2.
Okay.
You have to consider 1 hour and 30 minutes to get there, and
Okay.
then you have your time to visit in Pompeii.
Okay.
And that depends on what time you want to return.
arriva
We have
Sara
different
Toledo?
timetables.
Okay.
It's
Different
upon
buses.
you.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
That's nice. Yeah.
And you have to consider 1 hour and 30 minutes to return back here.
Okay.
All
Understood.
right.
Copy.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, ladies. Bye. So friends, মই tickets লৈ ললো আৰু এইখনে হৈছে red bus hop on hop off Napoli city tour আৰু I'm very excited. Let's see what Napoli has to offer. Okay.
Saiu, nossa, eu peguei o primeiro voo da Azul.
Olá.
Tava boa a milhagem, oba.
So guys, ticket to Lulu and to 1:42 p.m. the ride will start. It's a city tour around Napoli. So the ticket cost me 20 euros. I think to around 1700 rupees in Indian currency. Etia moi buskhonot bohi lolu. Okonman pisot buschon jabole hobo aru time hobo aru. Next to us another bus has just arrived. Ekhon bus akko jaboge. Oh, nice. Say hi.
Hello.
All right. What's your name?
Simon.
Simon. All right. Bye bye. Simon, bye bye. Bye bye. Ciao. Okay, so finally bus kon ahile. Jabo olaiso aru. Hey guys, the tour has just begun. A few facts about Naples is known as also the new city. Yes, Napoli comes from the Greek word Neapolis. And it's one of the largest city in Italy after Rome and Milan. Naples residents are also known as Neapolitans. Yeah, around 1 million population ase. UNESCO World Heritage Site. There are multiple castles, around 3-4 castles, very old. Yes, also Naples is a birthplace of pizza margarita. The first pizza in the entire world was created here. Okay, and yeah, one of the largest funiculars in the world. Yeah, the central funicular in Naples opened in 1928. Very old, बहुत पुराना. Yes, also Naples has fine arts which date back to 1700s. Okay, the world-renowned Neapolitan Academy of Fine Arts and Museum was founded in 1752. Very old, by King Charles II. Yeah, you can, by looking at this, you can say this is a very old and ancient city. Yeah, and Naples city to Italy part nasila agote. Itu around 1860s. Tetia Italy part hoise. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy the city tour of Naples. Also, Naples was Italy was dictated by Mussolini. Mostly people living here, they don't like him because he was a dictator, and you know the history. And yeah, we are going towards another town, a little bit more posh and more expensive, as the guide was telling us. Our video decided you were last
white building is the gallery of Umberto I, which was dedicated to the king himself, Umberto I. A la derecha podemos ver ahora la galería Umberto I, que fue dedicada al rey Umberto I. You can see it inside. Stop number 7. Parada número 8. The seaside, and over there you can reach Via Toledo. De aquí se puede ir al barrio marítimo y a la izquierda volvemos a la Via Toledo. And on the right you can see this building. It's the San Carlos Theater, one of the ancient opera theaters that was built here in 1737. That is still in activity, and also it's
And now friends, we are entering one of the richest neighborhood in Naples, jot Diego Maradona ghor ase. Sari go video to. Friends, in this neighborhood, apnalok je shopping koribo bisare, you'll find brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Versace, and etc. And that's the sea view. We will go straight ahead towards the Maradona house. Diego Maradona, the fun fact is that in Napoli, people pray, people worship Maradona as God. Yeah, which is exciting, unique.
Where you can see the monument that was here to remember the 4 days of Naples, and a monument to ensure that Naples was free by the natives. Estamos ahora dentro de la República, en esta plaza, pues, del monumento que fue construido aquí, en recuerdo de los...
Hey guys, I'm at the street of Humaiso. A to street go towards the house of Maradona. Maradona Diego, from the legendary football star from Argentina and worshipped in Napoli. Napoli Manugre Maradona worship kore. And it view to Mount Vesuvius, the mountain you can see from here. Maradona Ghoropra mountain to anytime he sapole parisil sage. And right in front of me, that yellow house, that is the house of the Diego Maradona, the yellow one, right in front of me. So this is the house of Diego Maradona, facing the beautiful mountain, Mount Vesuvius. It's a volcanic mountain which destroyed the city of Pompeii in 79 AD. And what a beautiful view. Always looking at the ocean and the cool breeze coming from the ocean. Yeah, and just a viewpoint puli kobo pari. A viewpoint to sai meli okoman pictures loy. We will move back again to the city. Hey guys, so friends, so etia okoma photo picture lobo kane ete rokhisu. Nice view eta ase. View to apoloke sabo pare. Look at this view. Beautiful. Okay, we got some beautiful pictures. Basona ko bohogoy. So guys, somewhere right over there we have the Maradona house. It is in Napoli town, and that's Vesuvius, the volcanic mountain. A mountain to a Pompeii city to destroy korisile. I'll go to Pompeii next time. Friends, I make a pictures lolu yate, and the viewpoint to both dhuniya asile. Ete jabole hol aru.
Thank you so much, everybody.
So guys, Ahipalu return, city tour complete hoigol. Napoli cities to salu ami. Aru etia time to get down from the bus. And yeah, it was fun. Alright, that's the end of my tour. Ekhini asile. Bhal lagile gote town to sai ahilu. Time to go back to the ship. So guys, time hoise return jabole shipole. And we are walking down through the terminal তাতে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ shopping you can do, collect some souvenirs, buy some merchandise, bags and goodies আৰু এইবোৰ লোৱাৰ পিছত scanning কৰি security check in কৰি I'll be going inside the ship আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো চাই কেনেকুৱা পালে কমেন্টছত জনাব আৰু কিবা opinion থাকিলে please write it to me in the comments আৰু ভাল পালে like এটা দিব ভিডিঅ'টোত and yeah to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you. Hey guys, video to aji manale asile video to keneko pale sai comments mok janabo aru notun video ahi ase Pompeii ruins opera aru moi goi asu Athens city. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.